channel. It's Tamara, and for all my current subscribers, hey, welcome back. If you're not already subscribed, click that button down below so you can stick around and watch more videos. Today's video is going to be a headband wig review, and this is going to be my first review that I've done on my channel, and I'm super excited about it. So definitely want to show you guys what I got. Before we get into the video, don't forget to like this video, comment down below as well if you want to see more of these videos, and let's get right on into it. Okay, so as you can see, I just have my hair in its natural state, and it's actually shrunken up a bit because I forgot to put my bonnet on in the shower, so just ignore that. But this is the hair from Rense hair, and this is just the packaging that it looks like right here. And I actually got this headband wig off of Amazon, and it's already popped open because I was trying to open it up and the little thing popped off, so just ignore that. But it does come in some super cute packaging, and I'm gonna go ahead and just open it up. So this is the cute picture that it comes with, a thank you card that you guys can see. On the back, they also give you the option to pick a gift with your purchase, so that's super cute as well. So I'm excited about that. I'm gonna go ahead and email them. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. This is the pink bag that it comes in. And in it, I do see the headband wig right here. And then I'm also seeing two different headbands that it comes with. So it comes with this yellow one, and then it also comes with this blue one as well. And I kind of like the yellow one a little bit more, I'm not sure. But these are just the simple ones that they have. I have seen a few other ones on Amazon, so if you're wanting some different headbands, also pick those up. I'm gonna go right into opening up the hair. So this is the 12-inch headband wig, and it is 100% human hair, so this is not synthetic at all. So this is the headband wig right here, guys, and as you can see from the texture that it is super soft. So it's super soft, like you can run your fingers right through this. It is not like clunky or getting stuck at all, and I think this is super cute. And in the front, let me move this here. In the front, of course, you can see the straps that you open it up. So those are the straps that open it up. And I'm just gonna go ahead and push my hair back so you guys can see me install this. Okay guys, so this is the hair right here. This is before I even put on a headband, and it is super like silky smooth. It feels so good. And then the straps at the back, of course I can loosen them up, but I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it up just a little bit so that it does not come loose at all. And yeah, I'm gonna tighten this up a little bit. Tighten this up. Okay, so this is before I even put the headband on, and as you can see, I do have like some of my edges pushed back because I do kind of want it to have somewhat of a natural look. And I'm probably gonna flip my hair over here just a little bit because I want to add like some type of effect to this hair, y'all. So I'm going to like swoosh some of this over here. This is a great hairbrush, and I have a video on this as well. It's the Easy Detangler brush, so y'all need to go pick these up because I believe they're on sale right now. So go pick these up as well. But I'm just gonna move some hair over, and I'm also gonna go ahead and put on this blue headband. Oh my gosh, this is super, super cute. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, this is it. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like after with the headband on. This is more of a straight unit, but I have not been able to straighten it just yet, just because I did just take it out of the package. But as you can see, I am going through this with my brush. I'm going through this with my brush and it's not getting stuck at all. This actual headband wig was extremely affordable, y'all. Like I said, it was only around $60, and this is a 12-inch, and I'm going to show you guys the back of this as well. So this is what the back of the 12-inch looks like. So it's not too short. I really thought it was going to be way shorter, but it's actually a longer length than I thought it was. It looks super good. And here's a full image of the back of my head and the hair. As you can tell, it is not stiff at all. Like, this is some super flowy hair. And you can do a lot with this hair. You can keep it down. You can, of course, push it back, as you can see, but most of the time I like to wear my hair up. So if you also want to push it up as well, you do have that option. It's just really up to you, or you can wear it half up, half down. But this wig is super cute. I cannot wait to straighten it and also style it. If you do want, you can also curl this wig, because like I said, it is 100% human hair. I definitely think this was a awesome purchase. If you guys want to purchase this wig, I will also have it down below. But yes, that is going to be the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below if you would like for me to do more of these headband wig videos showing you guys how I put them on. They are super simple to put on. I highly recommend getting you guys one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.